Thanks, Grace. Alright, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Stop now.
Ow. We're getting ready to play the main game.
Let's be honest. Wonderful.
That is Grace. Grace.
And Chris, this is blackmail when you get your first girlfriend.
Yeah, I'm his girlfriend.
Who just said that?
Josh, or else you're not going to play.
Grace. Why did you have to say that? Okay. Brooke. Hand. And her fluffy hair. Margaret's rolling all over the ground. Oh my gosh, Grace. Anything that Jenny says.
Calm down.
Oh, okay. You have to whisper. Ow. You gotta whisper things, and Jenny's whispering names into people's ears, and then you gotta say them, and then you gotta go chase people around. It's fun. Okay, be quiet. What?
That was really funny.
Margaret. Paige, Grace.
What?
PJ. Elizabeth, Chris. Brooke.
Hope you guys know who each other are.
Claire, and Margaret. Now I'm just going around the circle. And I'm
Okay, everybody, close your eyes. Don't look at anything. Don't look. Get on all fours.
Oh gosh, this will be funny.
And start saying your person's name. Go.
Jenny laughing. I do too.
Alright, okay guys, we have time to play another. Except this time, go pick a spot in the room and face the wall.
I stepped on my finger.
Okay.
No, not the door.
Come, see you in next time to see scene 2.